Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. Just wanted to give you a little update of where I am, and today I'm working on this little baby. It's my 14-inch rigid bandsaw, and as you can see it's pretty much tore down, all the pieces laying around here and there. It's had a little problem with some of the work that I do. Uh, as you can see here, probably pieces of I would call it the saw blade tightening mechanism, which has been repaired and re-repaired again and again, and with limited results. And I had all kinds of innovative ideas as to how to repair that. So what I had to do was to just build my own system. I'll bring you over here and show you my starting place. I spent the evening yesterday welding up a little piece that should strengthen everything up. Here's the part of the mechanism that I'm replacing. And let's see, this is pretty ugly, but this piece fits inside of this part, and it's a little pivot mechanism, and this steel part represents what was failing of the previous setup, and this pivot adjusts the tracking mechanism of the blade, and at the same time is used for tightening the blade. Now let's take this over here. This mechanism fits into the slide here, like so, for tightening the belt. I mean, not the belt, but the bandsaw, the blade on the bandsaw. But it lacks one thing, and that is the shaft that the wheel runs. The wheel runs on, and I've got to drill a hole through that to hold the wheel. And so that's going to be today's task, and I'll keep you up to date on how this project works out. So for now, I'll come back whenever I've got the little shaft either ready to go, or drilling it out, or at least the next step. So see you then. Okay, this is my torn down bandsaw of model that you can see right there, and it's 14-inch, and I'm having trouble with the top part here, as I spoke of in the earlier portion, and I have built a new one. If you remember, the old one is now this group of parts right here, pieces that came apart. It was a aluminum casting which had a lot of voids in it, and I welded up a steel one, and this thing is a little deal to adjust the tracking on the bandsaw blade, and this is the shaft in which the wheel on the upper wheel on the bandsaw runs on, and it pivots up and down for tracking, like I said, and then this whole assembly slides up and down to change the distance on the between the two wheels, the lower wheel down there and the upper one mounted on this one. This adjuster knob here runs this whole assembly up and down to do that. And then to adjust tracking, we have to shove out on this bottom portion, and this little wheel right here, this knob, pushes it out at the bottom, flips this up, and changes the tracking one way or the other. Alright, I've got to put this thing together now and see if my new steel adjuster mechanism will work. It's made out of 3/8 steel here, welded to a 5/8 diameter steel rod, and then fitted through, well, there's some little pin, well, you can't see the pins from here. There's pins that go in the ends here. And so I'm going to put this together. So I'm going to flip the camera around, and you'll get to see me as I put it together. Hopefully I'll be able to speed this up, and it won't be too boring. Well, it seems to be working, and I've still got to put guards on and those kind of things. And when I get that done, I'll come back with a demo on how well it cuts. Okay, I've got the bandsaw all put back together, and the blade set up like it should be, and I'm going to demo now its ability to cut. To me, that's good enough. Thanks for watching.